What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial, Midnight from My Hero Academia. This is a Patreon request from Emmanuel. Let's go, I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause. If I go too fast, we start with her eyes. Center point of my page is about here, up over to the right. And we start with the top eyelid. So let's go just diagonal first, like so. And then it's kind of hooks down the back here, like that. And then you want to thicken this up a little bit. So just make it a darker, heavier line. Like so. And then we have some eyelashes that come around like the bottom, for the bottom eyelid. So they don't actually draw in a line, it's just eyelashes, and then there's eyelashes here as well. And they kind of go up this way a little bit. Okay, this kind of thing. Of course, some of this is underneath hair, so we'll have to erase that. So in the eye, underneath, curves around, like so. And then the pupil, down from there. And she has an extra line in her eye, so it comes down around like so, to there. Okay. So she has glasses, but most of her eyes are like covered in hair. So I think she has a freckle or something, like here. So I tell you, we'll draw the other eye, we'll do the hair and the face and stuff, and then we'll do the glasses, right? So the other eye comes up, diagonal that way again, and then we'll hook it down here. And you want to thicken this line up a bit. Just sort of copy in the other side. Right, and then we'll add the eyelashes. Like that, and then for the bottom eyelid line, just coming across there. And her iris. Like so, and then her pupil. There, and then another circle just coming around. All right, so what we can see for her nose, just here, My Hero Academia, they do it pretty simple. This kind of thing. And her mouth, just, it's kind of two lines, right? So we go there, and then this comes across, and it's kind of smiling, curved up, sort of that way. So then her chin, relatively pointy, just there. Right, so then her jaw, side of the face up this way. Same on this side, pretty much. Up here, and it's about mouth level and on the corners of the eye. See where I'm underneath the corners of her eye and across from the mouth? That's where you want to change direction and go up the other side. When a character is facing forward, that's the sort of proportion you want to do. Okay, and then we go up this way, like that, right? Now, we're stopping here because she's got these big pieces of hair that come across her face, right? So just like curving down this way. Big hair spike there. Hair spike in the middle of her face. Going down like so. And then another going across that way, right? So inside here we have her glasses and her eyebrows and things, right? So we can see her glasses just kind of coming down this way. Moves down and up to there, right? And then the top just kind of goes across the top of her eye here, like so. And then we got an eyelid line just in there. Now they're red, right? So you need a space to color in. So we'll just double up this line around like so. And then there's like a bit of a spike that sticks off here. And just goes up this way. And then we can see a little bit of her eyebrow just above her glasses. Just like so. Right, then we do the same thing pretty much on the other side. So this sort of V shape again. There. And then top of the glass here. Like so. And then we have an eyelid line. Her eyebrow just above. And then that sort of spiking section on the bottom of her glasses here. Like so. Right, so I'll just erase these lines underneath the glasses that we shouldn't see. Okay, so her hair all goes down behind her body, right? So, and a bit up the top. So we'll get her neck and her body in a bit first, right? So we've got this sort of V in the middle, like that. Then we have a line, a collar, like a leather sort of collar, going down this way. Okay, and this comes down in between her, in the middle of her chest, right? Comes down this way. Like that, right? And then we've a curved line for her chest here in the center, right, and the curved line here. So her shoulders go out this way, fairly narrow, right? They're small enough, sort of shoulders here. Right, so maybe a little bit further on this side. Okay, and then they will just curve down for her shoulder muscle and then out for like her tricep, just there. Same on this side, curve down and out, like so. And then we can see some more anatomy in here. So curved line for the other side of her chest, there. Curved line for the other side of her chest, there. And then we have an armpit line there, and an armpit line here. Right, so then she's got these diamonds on her neck. Or they look like diamonds anyway, on her collar. And then this comes up, down, down. Lines like this on it just to make it look a bit 3D. And then she has jewels that come down in here as well. And we got some just some lines to make it look a little bit three-dimensional on those jewels. And then here as well. Okay, and then her collarbones just coming off around the top here, like that. Right, and then next thing we have to do is the rest of her hair. So up at the top of her head, right? So we've got like these hair spikes on top. So they like just curve around here. And then a bit of a bigger one goes down that way. And then this spike comes down here. And we keep sort of spiking down. Right, like this. And here, double one. And then this one sticks out back to there. And down that way. So she's real long hair, right? And then this side. Just keeps sort of spiking, curving out. Like so. And that is everything, I think. Yep. Midnight from My Hero Academia. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel. Anyone else with specific requests like this, characters maybe I don't normally draw, head on over to Patreon and I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.